Good morning! I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it today. I'm gonna vlog. Like an actual vlog. I'm not gonna go back and worry about making mistakes and re-recording. I'm just gonna vlog. Why? Because I think that I'm hearing from you guys that you wanna see more day in the life type stuff. And so today's Friday. This is our Friday co-op. The cool thing is that Naomi is now with us. Say hi, Naomi. Yeah, you want to go because the kids all ran out. They are walking into the building because they're ready for co-op. The hardest part right now is trying to find an angle to put my phone. Realistically, I just spent 5 minutes to give you an angle of my child's feet. You want to go play? No, you want to put your sock on? That's how far I got. Do you want to go play? Let's go play. You got your lunchbox? Figuring this out. Good girl. Good job. All right, let's go inside. Yeah, we're not going in there. We're going to keep going. Naomi, ma'am. You guys, I just realized I brought way too much stuff for the preschoolers, and we usually go outside during this period. I brought these stepping stones to do like a little the floor's law obstacle course, and then I brought some hula hoops. How am I going to take these things outside with Naomi? Like how am I going to watch Naomi and take these things outside and set things up? I mean, I could do it before, but I really can't because I'm watching a class. I also brought my book that I'm working on, and Naomi's water spilled all over it. Well, change of plans. Not enough teachers showed up, so we are going to have a play date at the park. 7 families did not show up, so we are actually on our way because of COVID and people being sick. Nobody had COVID. They're ill, they're out, but COVID really messed everything up. But we're gonna go to the playground. And actually at 11 o'clock, they arranged for a children's author to come and read a book. The book is actually about their dog, and they're bringing the dog. So I'm gonna show you that.
A dog, yay!
All right, go get buckled up, sweetie. All right. Yeah, I got 2 kids right now because the boys decided to go with their friends. We're gonna go, Naomi. I promise. We're gonna go play. Right? We're gonna play. Yes, we are. But now we're at the playground, and Naomi sees it, and she wants to get out. Oh, I almost fell, for real. There's something there. All right, Naomi, let's go. You want to go up there? It's okay. That means you can take your time going up the stairs. Girl, you can get up on those stairs with your feet. You don't need to crawl.
Mommy.
I'm right here. Can you do feet first? Hey, Naomi, put your feet first and come down. Yeah, there you go. Good job.
My turn, wait for me.
Yay. So So I'm going to share with you a little bit of what's going on with Naomi. She is going through a hitting stage and pushing stage. This just really started happening this week. And I know a lot of it is because of the whole, she's developmentally toddler age and preschool age. And I know a lot of you have opinions on like how I can handle this, which are very helpful. I will say that we are working very closely with their OT as well as just consistency, because consistency is the key. It's a lot of all done hands and redirection. Timeout doesn't work with her. She thinks it's a game, putting her in timeout, re-putting her in timeout. Oh, let me share with you another thing that we are working through. My son is ultra protective of Naomi, which can be a good thing, but it's to the point where he cannot function unless he knows that she's okay. So we're having to work with him on that. I mean, it's not necessarily a bad problem to have, but
as a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for
well, that just
hours.
makes sense.
Raised our shadows among the
sing?
vines.
Which one do you want?
So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days.
Yeah, brothers always do better than mommies, right?
In a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our
Are you all
skates.
done? You're all done? Yay!
We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me.
So for lunch we're having yogurt. And I forgot a spoon. So we're using almond floured crackers. Is it yummy? Is your drink yummy? Your water? Mmm. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. You're eating again? What are you eating now?
She stole Amos's cheese things.
You stole his cheesy puffs. Not cool.
Daydreamer, kidnap me. Take me back, all the way back to them days.
Lazy. Both of you guys wrote it?
I wrote it.
You wrote it?
Yeah.
All right.
She's my team sister, so.
Wow.
Nice to see you. It's been a long time.
So Lincoln's right here. He wrote the book. It's about your dog.
Yes, ma'am. Right there. That's the dog.
It's really hard to capture on film how much love she's actually getting.
Oh, yeah.
Like for real.
She doesn't run, doesn't play. All she likes to do is lay. She's a very lazy dog. One cloudy night, Lazy Daisy was snuggled in her bed and suddenly noticed
So that book is really cute. Actually, I'm gonna leave an affiliate link down in the description box below if you're interested in checking it out. It's called Lazy Daisy because Daisy's pretty lazy, especially when a bunch of kids rub all over her. we are done. We are gonna head over to Walmart and do our Walmart pickup. Go home. You got your water?
I drank it all.
Oh, good for you. They have a new water thing at the park, like a nice water thing. Anyway, if you guys like what I did here, can you let me know in the comments? This whole like vlogging thing is very new to me. Not right now, honey. Because I'm more like informational. I want to share these things. But if you're interested in seeing more kind of like this, let me know. 2 or 3 a month, maybe 4 a month, maybe once a week, that kind of thing. I don't think I'll ever be an everyday vlogger. This was actually really tiring to vlog. So, but let me know if it's worth it. If you guys like it, let me know. Of course, you know, let me know by subscribing as well. And clicking on that bell notification. I would love for you guys to follow us on our journey, because it is a journey. We are a homeschool family of 4, as you well saw, like duh. And of course, my youngest has special needs, Down syndrome, and our family's unique. And we want to share our journey with you. So especially if you're a parent who has a special needs child, I don't want you to feel alone. You are not alone in this journey. You are not alone with these struggles. You are not alone with these feelings. It is real, and I'm here to support you in any way I possibly can. In all honesty, I'm here. So let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in our next video.